Yo, what are you telling me, people? It's at AMP, Abandoned 420. Basically, I'm just arrived at the Old Horse Path Village. I'm on a bit of a random explore today. As you can see, I'm starting off using my GoPro, but just down here and around the corner, a few minutes away, there is the old railway tunnel. It used to lead Oxford to Prince Risborough. It closed down in 1963 and hasn't been used since. The only thing it has been used for was back in 2002. It was converted into something for bats. I'm not sure the full detail, but I'm on my way there now. I'm using my GoPro because, as you can now see, I now have my chest mount and I just got my split. As I now have a head mount and a chest mount that's arrived. So I'm going to be recording to start off with on the head mount. I'm not using the chest mount today. I'm going to be switching straight to my phone as soon as I get there. But yeah, we've got a nice bit of cookie bed to smoke. Cool, still recording, people, just connecting you onto my GoPro head mount. Right, people, you're now on my head mount. I'm going to be heading there and I'll be switching straight to my phone videoing as soon as I get there. Right, people, let's go. Deadly corner here, people. This is part of the original Disused Railway. I'm thinking it's down here, people. But there's horses in the field. Right. Excuse me, sorry. No, I'm looking for the Disused Railway Tunnel. Wasn't there another piece? This piece, sorry.
Butts Road?
I know there's the Butts Road bit, but there's this bit. It's now used for the back.
Yeah, that's in Butts Road.
Was that Butts Road one?
Butts Road. Go where it is.
Yep.
Up that alley. Go into the native trail.
Yep.
Just follow it up, and you'll see it.
Okay, so...
Just go up this alley up here.
Up here?
There's an alley there.
Yep.
Go up there. Cross the Butts, this is Manor Road.
Yep.
Turn right, you're into Butts, and you'll see the gate to the native trail.
Thank you very much.
Follow it up.
I lived in Oxford my whole life. I didn't even know about it until the other day. And I'm an explorer. I like exploring these unusual places and stuff, and abandoned buildings
It's
and...
not a very big area.
No.
You know, you'll be up there in 10 minutes. I walk most of the dogs sometimes. And
That's perfect.
About 10 minutes.
Thank you very much.
It's supposed to be quite protected, the bats in there.
Yeah, I heard that. They're like... Yeah, they're all protected because in 2002 it got converted into the bat thing.
That's it.
Yeah. Perfect, thank you. So right, people, it was Butts Road. I thought that was another one, but obviously not. This is the one up here. Excuse me, sorry. I'm looking for the gate that leads into the old bit of the railway tunnel.
Up there, mate. Turn right, and it's just on the left-hand side. You'll go over the railway bridge.
Yep.
And it's just on the left-hand side.
Thank you, mate. Right, we're nearly here, people. Not down that way, is it? There must be in the other bit, people. The other little way down. The hell? No, that don't look derelict. No, must be the other way then, people. Fuck's sake. Right, well, it's a good hill bomb. Let me check to make sure it's still recording. Yep. Right. Hill bomb it is then, people. And then down to the right. That building definitely looks abandoned. Woo! Fucking hell, people! That's coming there. Woo! Getchy, fuck me. That was close. But there's this one. This isn't the one that was originally used for the bat enclosure, but can't be far off, can I? I see it, dead in front of me. Hello, I'm videoing off the GoPro on my head mount as we speak. I basically just went straight past it and had to come back down this massive off-road hill bomb, and fuck me, I nearly skidded off the bike about 3 times, but I didn't. I asked 2 people for directions. They directed me down to one bit, and I see this one bit of bridge, but now I'm facing the other direction. I can see the exact bit. So I'm going to ride down to it now, do a little video off my phone, and done. I'll be back. Alright then, honey, I'll call you when I come out of here. Alright, love you too. Bye.